Important questions and answers. Evaluate the significance of the statement that the Renaissance was a period of transition from medieval to the modern. Answer. From the 14th century onward, a series of changes took place in the social, economic, and political spheres of Europe. അടുത്ത question. What is humanism? Humanism is a way of thinking that emerged during the Renaissance, emphasizing the value and importance of human life, dignity, and potential rather than focusing solely on religious or afterlife ideas. It prioritizes human reason, rational thinking, and the pursuit of knowledge. അടുത്ത question. What is meant by Renaissance? The word Renaissance means rebirth. It refers to the period of transition in Europe from the Middle Ages to the modern era, characterized by the revival of interest in ancient Greco-Roman culture, art, and literature, along with a shift towards secularism and scientific inquiry. അടുത്ത question. Why did the Renaissance start first in Italy? The Renaissance began in Italy due to several factors. Wealthy cities. Italian cities like Florence, Venice, and Rome were wealthy, dynamic, and independent due to trade. Urbanization. Increased urban life allowed new ideas to spread quickly. Patronage. Wealthy merchants and rulers patronized artists and scholars. Greco-Roman heritage. Italy was the center of the old Roman Empire, providing direct access to ruins, manuscripts, and art. Fall of Constantinople. Greek scholars fled to Italy with ancient manuscripts, fueling the rediscovery of knowledge. അടുത്ത question. What were the key features of humanism? Focus on the individual. Celebrate human dignity, capability, and potential. Rationalism. Encouraged questioning, critical thinking, and observation rather than accepting tradition blindly. Secularism placed importance on human life, joy, and achievements on earth rather than just the afterlife. Classicism. Revival of ancient Greek and Roman literature and philosophy. How did the Reformation movement challenge the Catholic Church? Led by figures like Martin Luther, the Reformation challenged the Church's authority, particularly the sale of indulgences. They argued for faith based on salvation and the direct relationship between a person and God, weakening the Pope's power and leading to the Protestant movement.